In this video I'm going to show you how to create some summer themed bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial screen in the software. We click Create New Bingo Card Project. Now I have a choice of what kind of bingo card I'd like to create. I can start a blank one and fill my own words in. I can use alphabet, numbers. I can look for school subjects like English or geography or history. Look at events like baby showers, birthdays, look at holidays, 4th of July, Canada Day, Christmas, and so on. But if I go across here, I might have to scroll a bit. I'll go to time, and I will see here seasons, summer. I can click on this item and click OK, or double click on it. So I'll click on it, click OK, and there's my initial summer themed bingo card with a list of words relating to summer. Now, I can also modify this list of words. So, for example, if I don't want air conditioning or I don't want barbecue, I could delete that item and I can add my own words. They will initially appear at the end, but if I want to, I can resort the list into alphabetical order. The screen here shows the words in the same order as in this on the initial bingo card, but in the real bingo cards, they will be in a random order, randomly shuffled about. As you'll see in a moment. Okay, I can also change the bingo card size. I can make 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, or I can make a larger bingo card if I have enough items, so 6 by 6, but I don't have enough to fill the card, so we'll leave that at 5 by 5. I can change the heading of the bingo card if I want, so I could change this word, I can turn off the heading. I can also change whether or not to have the free space square, and I can turn on or off the free space square. I can also change fonts and colors using this menu here format. So just as an example, we're going to change it into some nice blues and yellows, summer colors maybe. So let's have the squares. We can have them as a nice blue with white with yellow text, and we'll make a checkerboard pattern of yellow squares as well with blue text. And we can choose whether to make the free space color a different color. Perhaps that would be nice to make that a bright green. We'll leave the text black on that one. We can change the heading color as well. We'll make that red and with black text, and the lines we'll leave that. We'll make them red as well. And so that's my example colors. Click OK. We'll see I've got a nice colourful bingo card now. Now I'm now ready to print, assuming I'm happy with that. First choice here is whether to print the call list. That's basically this list of words in a random order on a sheet of paper of their own. It's very useful for using bingo cards in a classroom situation or something like that to have a pre-printed list of the items that you can use for calling the game. You can, of course, not use that if you want, pull items out of a hat or something like that. And the software also includes a feature for calling items sort of live in a random order, which I'll show you at the end of the video. You can also choose how many bingo cards to print per page. If I put more bingo cards per page, each one will be smaller, but if I'm printing a large number of bingo cards, that can be useful to save paper, although I might have to cut pages up to give an individual bingo card to each player. So we'll leave that on 1 for now, and I can choose how many bingo cards I want to print. And remember, every bingo card will contain a different random arrangement of these items. If I put in 1, I can put in 10, I can put in 100, I can put in 1,000, I can put in up to 9,999, and as I say, every bingo card will contain a different combination. So it's a quick way to produce lots and lots of different bingo cards. So let's put in 100 just as my example. I'm now ready to print, but I'll do print preview so you can see on screen what it looks like. First page here is a call list, which I elected to have, the list of words in a random order. I'll zoom out so you can see the whole page, and then I'll do next page, and that's the first bingo card with the items arranged randomly, as you can see. And if I do next page, you'll see it's got a different random arrangement, and the next page is different again, and so on up to my 100 bingo cards that I've chosen to print. I did mention I would also show you how you can also call during the game random items without using the call list. If I click play and do a call game, it will choose an item at random and display it, and it will show me the previously called items. The first one is tan. When I click solstice is the next one, and tan scrolls down, and the next one is lemonade, and solstice and tan scroll down. So I can add see items selected on the fly using this feature call game. So that's basically it. If you go to bingocardprinter.com, you can download a free trial version of the software, try it out. Hopefully you will like it, and if you like it, upgrade to the full version, which is what's shown on this video. So go to bingocardprinter.com, download it, try it out, and if you like it, as I say, register to get the full version, and you can do everything you've seen in this video and a lot more besides. Thank you very much.